My name is Christine Smith. I'm the Executive Director of Restore Belize. Restore Belize and UNICEF have had a long and fruitful partnership that is focused on building resiliency in children and communities from disadvantaged neighborhoods. The Early Identification Intervention System program is one of the fruits that have been nurtured over time. The EIIS program focuses on providing foundational skills to children and schools by ensuring that they have access to the tools and resources to build competency in literacy.
I am Mrs. Desiree Pasquale, the school leader. I have been teaching at Light of the Valley Baptist School for more than 20 years.
My name is Miss Denisha Santos. I am the Infant 2 teacher here at Light of the Valley Baptist School, and I've been working here for the past 3 years, going on 4 years.
Hello, my name is Amar Pasquale. I am in Standard 3.
I would say that literacy is a priority at my school. Since the program came on stream here at Light of the Valley Baptist School, we have seen tremendous growth. Students are reading to their level, they are encouraged.
When it was first introduced, I thought that it was a lot of work and it was hectic. But when I got the gist of it and I saw how important it was for the students in my class, I began to enjoy doing the activities and working with my students so that they could have learned how to read.
The RAS Plus has a lot of things that the students like and the students love, and it captures them. And so we have seen tremendous growth with the literacy here at our school.
The way you get started is by going into the level up, in the level up placement or the reading room. There are different types of books to read. There are hundreds of books to read.
So I have this little girl in my class. She was not able to read, but she knew her letter sounds well. When we began this program, I used different words that I found in the frequency area, and I had her start from AA, and she was able to sound out her words. And she said, "Miss, I don't have a tablet at home." So I had a tablet that I was using at home. So I brought it for her, and every day she said she goes home and she reads stories. And when she came back, she had a lot of stars. So I said I would try her at AA, and she went from AA all the way. She moved up really fast because the interest was there, and she liked that she had the most stars in the class.
You can use your stars to you can spend them. You can earn more by reading and answering questions. You can also spend them to do your avatar and your RAS rocket and most other things.
It was the literacy that drove me to want to continue with the program, and I also talked to the other teachers around the school and told them how I see that it was working in my classroom, and they also grasped onto it and tried it in their classroom.
We believe that teachers and schools have a great responsibility to educate students. And while we are entering the schools to provide a service, we want to acknowledge that we see the work that they're doing, and we want to help them to accomplish what they are doing too. So all schools who are a part of our program receive resources to create interventions, and that is charts, games. They receive little books to create learning centers in their classroom. And they all receive licenses to RAS Plus, which is an online literacy platform that houses a wealth of information that teaches children how to read.